Welcome back to our YouTube channel. The 2025 Honda Camper Motorhome is a masterpiece of engineering and luxury, a perfect fusion of innovation, comfort, and practicality that sets new standards in the motorhome market. Designed with modern travelers in mind, it offers an exceptional blend of cutting-edge technology, sustainable features, and thoughtful design. This motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a mobile sanctuary tailored to meet the needs of adventurers and families alike, redefining the concept of life on the road. At first glance, the exterior of the 2025 Honda Camper Motorhome captivates with its bold and futuristic design. Its aerodynamic shape reduces wind resistance, ensuring enhanced fuel efficiency and smoother driving. The Mex color option, a deep and sophisticated blend of green with subtle teal undertones, gives the vehicle a unique and eye-catching appearance. Sleek LED headlights and a bold front grille highlight Honda's commitment to a modern aesthetic, while the alloy wheels and chrome accents add a touch of elegance. Every curve and contour has been meticulously crafted, creating a vehicle that not only looks stunning but also performs efficiently. Step inside, and you're greeted by a luxurious and intelligently designed interior that makes you forget you're in a motorhome. The cabin is spacious and thoughtfully laid out to maximize comfort and functionality. The dashboard is a technological marvel, featuring a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system that integrates seamlessly with smartphone connectivity options like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A digital driver display provides all the essential information at a glance, while intuitive controls ensure a stress-free driving experience. Premium materials, such as soft-touch surfaces, brushed aluminium, and eco-friendly upholstery, elevate the sense of luxury, making every journey feel like a first-class experience. The living area of the 2025 Honda Camper Motorhome is a testament to Honda's dedication to comfort and practicality. It features a fully equipped kitchenette with a sleek induction cooktop, a compact yet efficient refrigerator, and ample storage for cookware and supplies. The dining area easily converts into additional sleeping space, accommodating families or groups of friends on long adventures. Large panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light during the day, while built-in privacy shades create a cozy atmosphere at night. Energy-efficient LED lighting throughout the motorhome provides the perfect balance of brightness and warmth. One of the standout features of this motorhome is its sleeping arrangements. The 2025 Honda Camper Motorhome offers a luxurious master bed with memory foam mattresses, ensuring a restful night's sleep no matter where you park. Additional bunk beds or fold-out sleeping areas make it an excellent option for larger families. The sleeping spaces are designed with convenience and comfort in mind, with built-in charging port, reading lights, and smart storage solutions. The bathroom is equally impressive, boasting a compact yet functional design. It includes a modern shower with adjustable water pressure, a space-saving toilet, and a vanity with storage compartments for toiletries. The inclusion of high-quality fixtures and eco-friendly materials reflects Honda's commitment to sustainability and luxury. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda Camper Motorhome is powered by an advanced hybrid drivetrain that combines fuel efficiency with robust performance. Whether navigating city streets or tackling rugged mountain roads, the motorhome delivers a smooth and reliable driving experience. The hybrid system not only reduces carbon emissions but also ensures lower fuel costs, making it an environmentally friendly choice for long-term travel. An all-wheel drive option is available, providing enhanced stability and control in various terrains and weather conditions. One of the most impressive technological advancements in the 2025 Honda Camper Motorhome is its integrated smart system. This system allows users to control and monitor various aspects of the motorhome via a smartphone app or central touch screen. From adjusting the climate control to monitoring water and power levels, the smart system makes managing life on the road more convenient than ever. Solar panels on the roof provide sustainable energy, while the lithium-ion battery system ensures that all onboard appliances and systems run smoothly even when you're off the grid. Safety has always been a priority for Honda, and the 2025 Camper Motorhome is no exception. It comes equipped with Honda's latest suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features not only provide peace of mind for the driver but also enhance overall road safety. Additionally, the motorhome's sturdy construction and advanced suspension system ensure a comfortable and secure ride, even on long journeys. Storage is often a concern for travelers, but Honda has addressed this issue with ingenious solutions in the 2025 Camper Motorhome. Hidden compartments, overhead cabinets, and underbed storage provide ample space for personal belongings, outdoor gear, and travel essentials. The motorhome also features an exterior storage compartment, perfect for items like camping equipment, bicycles, or sports gear. Every inch of the vehicle has been optimized to provide maximum functionality without compromising on aesthetics. One of the highlights of the 2025 Honda Camper Motorhome is its emphasis on sustainability. From the hybrid powertrain to the use of eco-friendly materials in the interior, Honda has taken significant steps to reduce the environmental impact of its motorhome. The solar panel system not only powers on-board appliances but also reduces reliance on traditional energy sources. Water-saving fixtures in the bathroom and kitchen further enhance the vehicle's eco-credentials, making it an ideal choice for environmentally conscious travelers. In addition to its exceptional features, the 2025 Honda Camper Motorhome offers a range of customization options. Buyers can choose from various interior layouts, color schemes, and additional features to create a motorhome that suits their specific needs and preferences. Optional upgrades include a larger solar panel system, advanced entertainment packages, and luxury finishes, allowing customers to tailor their motorhome to their lifestyle. The driving experience is further enhanced by the motorhome's advanced suspension system and noise insulation technology. Long drives feel effortless thanks to the smooth handling and quiet cabin. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country road trip or a weekend getaway, the 2025 Honda Camper Motorhome ensures that every journey is enjoyable and stress-free. Honda has also taken care to make the 2025 Camper Motorhome accessible to a wide range of customers. With competitive pricing and flexible financing options, the motorhome offers exceptional value for its features and capabilities. It represents a significant investment in both comfort and adventure, providing a home away from home for years to come. In conclusion, the 2025 Honda Camper Motorhome is a groundbreaking vehicle that redefines the standards of luxury, functionality, and sustainability in the motorhome market. Its sleek design, innovative technology, and thoughtful features make it the ultimate choice for travelers seeking comfort and convenience on the road. Whether you're an experienced adventurer or new to the world of motorhomes, this vehicle is designed to exceed your expectations and provide unforgettable experiences. With the 2025 Honda Camper Motorhome, the journey truly becomes as memorable as the destination. Thanks for watching.